viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So in last video I have gave you information how to deposit in your Terra Luna Chrome extension. Yes, I hope you properly understand if you need to deposit and if you save your fund for a long time. So you get information from my last video. If you have not watched last video, so go to my YouTube channel and must last watch video. So in this video I am giving you information how to withdraw fund from your Terra Luna extension. Yes, today we are going to discuss about how we transfer fund or how to withdraw money your Terra wallet to Terra station. This is also so simple and easy. In this video I am giving to also complete information, but first of all please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So here's, if you need to withdraw fund from your Terra wallet, first of all you need to log in your wallet, and after that you can easily withdraw. So you can see here my wallet is logged in front of me, and I'm going to click on expand view. Sometimes your network was changed, so you must first of select the classic, because in last video we discussed about how we deposit Luna Classic in our extension. So I have selected classic. If you select the mainnet, then not any amount shown in your Luna. So going to click on classic. Now 5 Luna Classic is open, is shown in front of me. I'm going to withdraw this Luna Classic to my Terra station. This is simple and easy. First I need to click on send button, you can see here, and then send Luna Classic is tab will open in front of me. First you need to paste here the recipient address, after that amount, and after that memo if the required the wallet. So I'm going to open Terra station where I want to receive money, or Luna Classic. So I have clicked on icon of Terra station. Now the Terra station is going to open in front of me. You can see here initializing. The Terra station is open in front of me, and you can see here this time I have select this wallet, also network is classic, so that my balance will be shown in my wallet. You can see here this is my balance of my Luna Classic, and I need to withdraw fund from Terra Luna extension to Terra station. So I need to get the wallet ID. So how can I find the wallet ID? Simple is that go to the click on wallet and simple copy. When you click on copy, so your wallet address will be copied, and you can also open the QR code. Then you can easily scan QR code. Let's suppose you want to send the money from Binance exchange to this wallet. You simple click on QR code and you can easily scan, then your wallet will be automatically copied in withdrawal area. So I have copied my wallet address, going to back and just paste here. My wallet is here paste. Before going to make any transaction, first cross check you have paste your wallet address correct or not. First cross check 3 digits and last 3 digits. So I am going to also cross check first 3 digits and last 3 digits. Then enter the amount. I have this time 5 Luna, so I want to withdraw all money. So just simple click on Luna Classic. So you can see here amount 4.983377, and the fee will be charged 0.01 Luna Classic, and balance is 5 Luna. And memo is optional. If the required the memo you must put here, otherwise your fund will be lost. So you can see here if we open the Terra Luna station, so there is not shown any memo, so I don't need to put here. Okay, and now you can see here viewers You can see here the fees, and also you can see here the Luna. Now I'm going to enter the password here, which is I applied when I was create an account. Now you can see here I have entered my password and also put my address here and also amount, and simple is that, just simple click on submit. So insufficient fee got the required 210. So it's maybe I am going to write here small amount, like let's suppose 4 or 3 Luna. Then what will be a check it's possible or not. Before going to withdrawal, I must cross check the balance of our Terra station wallet. You can see here 1,024,606. okay, after receive money almost our balance will be 1,024,609. so going to submit here again. Require 2105 code. It's maybe there's some error. There is error. Going to add only 2, then try. Possible or not? Network error. Sorry, this time is network error, so that transaction is not processing. So I am going to again try. Now click on send, paste here wallet address, amount 3, and then enter the password. Sometimes you face same problem because the Luna network is not properly run. I think same error here, insufficient fee got. So viewers, maybe there's network error, so you can use at your side. It's maybe not problem face like me at your system, but you can use same scenario if you need to withdraw amount from your Luna extension wallet. So also you can just simple enter the amount here and also enter your password and submit. After that your fund will be received in your Terra station, but this time is not sending. I don't know. After stop this video I will check, and there is shown the network error. It's maybe problem is main network, but you can use same scenario. Okay, so if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me my email address, and you can also subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button, and you can also get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So I will also make a new video for you with big amount transfer from Luna Chrome extension to Terra station. Okay viewers, so must watch my incoming video. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.